Alright, welcome to Challenge 2 tutorial. Okay, today we are going to draw a few of these shapes with modified items in the modifier list. Okay, let's start off by drawing a box. Let's give it a size and height. Let's edit the size to about 120 by 120 by 2.4 meters. Okay, let's give it 10 or 3 meters. Okay, let's give it 10 by 10 segments. Alright, it's very simple. The first one is the bend tool. Let's give it some bend. Alright, almost there, 99.5. Let's adjust the parameters a little bit to make it a little bit nicer. It looks almost the same original. Okay, well, we're there. Second up, next up, we'd like to draw the same box again. We give it some dimensions, 1.2 to 1.2 by 2.4. Alright, and we give 10 by 10 by 10 segments for the length, width, and height. Okay, next one, we give it a lattice modifier tool. Alright, select joints only from vertices. Okay, as you can see, it becomes a very small dot. Alright, if we select edges, it will be edges, but now we use the other one. Alright, give 10 segments and increase the radius a little bit. Alright, about 25, and segments about 20. Done. Alright, looks good. Okay, for the next one. Next one, we have to create a plane. Alright, let's create a plane first. Okay, take a look at the settings for the first one. Okay, give noise of 2, seed of 2, scale 200, and strength 0, 80, 150. Alright, so we give the same modifier. Okay, we give a noise modifier 2, 200, strength x-axis is 80, y-axis 50. Alright, for the noise, okay, let's just do a little bit of adjustment to the segments. Alright, segments looks good, 10 by 10. Okay, let's just try to do some edits. Alright, okay, check this out. So I believe that the first one has I did resize it accordingly, so hence measurements is a bit wrong. Okay, let's just do adjustments to this. Seed 2, scale to 600. Done. Third one. Alright, let's do a plane. Alright, you can adjust the parameters accordingly. Okay, let's take a look at the settings for the first one. Right, just do 2000 by 2000. The length and width segments about 10 by 10. Right, then my apologies, we do 20 by 20. Let's give it a ripple tool. So once we put in the ripple tool, we give the first amplitude as 50, 50, 500. Ta-da, we're done. Right, next one, script box. Okay, we just adjust the basic parameters first. Give good height and width. Right, then we give the taper tool. Okay, see for taper. Once we've selected taper tool, use the curve negative. Let's give it a negative 2. Alright, done. It's very simple, very fast. Alright, you can copy this over. Alright, but you just delete the taper tool modifier. Alright, now we give a twist modifier. Okay, just increase the twist. Almost there. Let's give it about 250. Okay, we're there. Right, the last one, wave. Let's start off by creating a plane of about this parameters. Okay, adjust the basic parameters first. Then we give the wave modifier. Okay, segments is 20 by 20. Length segments 20, width segments is 20. Okay, we give it a wave. Okay, amplitude, the first amplitude we give it 50, second amplitude 200, wavelength is about 63, but I think if we put 60 or 63 is a little bit too much. Let's just put about 10. Yeah, 4 is good, 4 mm. and we're done. That's all. Now just look at all this. You can adjust your colors and etc. You can give all these items the colors. You can just click on the right side beside the name plain, alright, and just when you click on it, a window will appear and you can give colors to your items. As simple as that. It took me only about 5 minutes to create this, so I believe that it's quite straightforward. It's quite simple. You can do it on your own. Right, after this, don't forget to save, and you're almost done for today. Thank you.